Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove vocals in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. First, open Audacity and import the song you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select your audio file. Once the track appears on the timeline, you're ready to begin. Now go to the top menu and click Effect. In this version of Audacity, the vocal reduction and isolation effect may not appear in the list. If you don't see it, click Get More Effects from the Effect menu. This option allows you to access additional effects that can be added to Audacity. After installing the vocal reduction effect, restart Audacity if required. Then open your audio file again and return to the Effect menu. Open Vocal Reduction and Isolation, choose Remove Vocals, and click OK. Audacity will process the audio and reduce the vocal track while keeping most of the background music. Click the play button to listen to the result. If the vocals are still noticeable, you can apply the effect again for a stronger vocal reduction. When you're happy with the result, click File, then Export Audio. Choose
Hello
MP3
everyone, welcome
or
back
WAV
to the channel
and save the edited file. That's how you can remove vocals in Audacity in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.